Hey guys, welcome back. So the 10.25 inch color touchscreen display protector, that's why I haven't removed my protector yet, and this part number for this one is package number 704 500626. I think that's the packing number right there. Anyways, there's another number right here, which I'm not sure if it's that one, but well, I could always check on my bill slip, I guess. And trying to figure out how to open this thing. So you'd figure, oh, just pull it so tighten there. Oh, now it's loose. All right, so this is the same package thing for sleds and everything. So it's got cleaning wipes and it's got cleaning wipes. And it's got the little thingy to clean your screen after once you've done it, and guide stickers. So I guess we need to open this up. And I would suggest that you put this on the first day you got it, because I didn't take my plastic off just for that reason, because once you scratch your screen, it's scratched for life, right? So you're kind of like in, it seems like it's a hard plastic. Yeah, it's a hard cover plastic. There we go. I don't know why there's a round thing in the bottom, or is it for the top? No, this is back. Okay, so basically this is what the front's going to look like. All right, so put that down. And now you got stickers to help you hold it in place, and dust absorber. So if there's a dust something, to clean it off. So it's basically like a, what the hell is this? Oh, a squeegee to put it on. Okay, so we need this tool. All right, so we got a squeegee for that. And now I guess we're going to start by removing this one. So I shouldn't have any dust, hopefully. So I'm not going to try to wipe it or anything. Okay. So stick this right there and try to get this thing on there as quick as possible so we don't. All right, so now this is the back. So this is going to remove the back. And this is to hold it so you're not touching the back with your fingers. So you get, geez, no fingernails. All right, so you tear these off. Come on. All right, so you're gonna hold that in one corner. It's a guide sticker. And then another one. For the other guide sticker. All right, so now we're gonna check it out. Okay, so it doesn't cover the whole screen, so there's room to play. Okay, I don't know why there's a round thing in the bottom. I don't know if it's for the sleds or whatever, but okay. So I'm actually going to grab the dust collector for an extra sticker to hold it in place. As right here. Oh, turn back on the lights. Here we go. Okay, so this is a one-shot deal. So remove this halfway. I'm gonna put my guide. Oh, guide came off. Jeez. Be careful. All right, now let's grab this squeegee here. Grab these stickers, grab the squeegee, start from the middle, top, middle, bottom, bottom, remove these little stickers now. Do your corners. Remove the other little sticker. Stick them. All right. Remove this sticker here. And now you can basically squeegee it all the way you want. So is it still, oh yeah, there's no problem touching it. Make sure there's no bubbles. I just see a bubble right there. That's a bubble. Let's get it out. Come on. Yeah, so don't be afraid to press hard on this here to get this really going good, to make sure you get all the bubbles out. And now that's it. So now because these are kind of expensive to replace, and this is like a thick plastic that's, even if you scratch it, they're what, $31 Canadian, and I got a 10% discount, which anybody that buys will get a 10 to 15 or 20 depending on the dealer you go to. So 20 some bucks Canadian, 27 bucks or whatever Canadian. And for you American guys out there or gals, you guys get even better money because our money's worth nothing anymore. So yeah. So anyways, thanks for watching. This was an easy one, and I'm glad that it went nicely and not a bunch of fingerprints, and it didn't stick on something with a hair in the back. But make sure you do this when your machine is brand new. Just order it with it to protect your screen. And look, everything touches easy, and then just to swipe over. And yeah, so basically I'll hold this to change it to the battery, to make it disappear, and then make it come back. Also, I didn't want to do a full video on this till I got this on there, but yeah, nice. So thanks for watching again, and we'll catch you on the next one. Parts are coming in, so we'll have another video very, very, very shortly. So please subscribe if you haven't. You want to see all these things, but that's if you don't want to scrape your screen, because you're out there, out in the mud, out in anything, you never know. You can have just a little rock fiber, and you go and swipe the screen or touch the screen, and all of a sudden you go, oh no, I should have bought that. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up, and thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.